Pennsylvania, all the way down through the Tidewater area. Still seeing quite a bit of shower activity. And you know, an area we haven't been talking about today a lot, Detroit, Cleveland, Ohio, northeastern Ohio, they've seen a lot of rain, especially the northwestern suburbs of Detroit. They've had almost 3 inches of rain there with persistent thunderstorms and some flooding problems there. Showers and storms from Columbus back to the Miami Valley and also from Parkersburg on down in through Elkins. They've had their problems there in West Virginia too. Charlotte down through Columbia all the way through Savannah. Look at this line of thunderstorms, some real biggies in through here now. Fayetteville up to Rocky Mount and a few more too as we head back toward Athens and further to the west. Even Birmingham, Centerville, Tuscaloosa, more thunder here and down and through Florida. South Florida had their rain earlier today, helping to alleviate some of the flood problems. So more rain's expected here tomorrow, and we'll definitely let you know when we get any kind of storm warnings in through here. Jeanetta.
Because high pressure is in control, but the east is a totally different story. Isolated big storms from parts of Pennsylvania and around Wilmington, Delaware, right on back through the Carolinas, Fort Bragg, for instance, near Jacksonville and Lakeland in Florida, some big storms firing up, and back into Nashville, Tennessee, you're looking at some light rain showers, and thundering right now in Columbus, Ohio. We have a number of severe thunderstorm warnings in effect, and this watch will be in effect, will remain in effect until about 11 o'clock. Central Daylight Time, so bear that in mind if you live in northern Minnesota. If you live in the Texas Panhandle, you could see some big storms later on tonight, at least until 11 o'clock. Heavy downpours with the rain, large damaging hail, and also some very gusty winds of up to 30, maybe 40, even 50 miles per hour. Let's break this down for you and show you where the heavier precipitation is taking place in the northeast, through the Carolinas, and as we travel into Florida, Alabama, and Georgia, you can see the isolated big storms. Stay tuned for your local weather.
Precipitation echo heights are up to 51,000 feet, 50,000 feet down around Charleston, South Carolina, and the rains continue. Earlier they had some down around the Everglades, and that's definitely helped out the fires, I would think, but since then they've moved on off toward the north. More rains in the Buckeye State, back in through Tennessee as well. And speaking of heavy rains, I'm sure we've had our share of it. Box right now, National Weather Service radar out of Kansas City has issued a severe thunderstorm watch box until 11 o'clock Central Daylight Time for Northern and westward into Ohio, back down through West Virginia, more showers and storms. The Piedmont, the foothills lit up again down to the coastal plain of Georgia. More showers, thunderstorms, heavy rains here, and a few more developing too and pushing into western Atlanta again. Looks like the western suburbs getting a few more showers and heading on down toward the
firing up in Ohio, Pennsylvania, on down the eastern seaboard through Virginia, the Carolinas, towards Florida, Jacksonville, Florida, looking at light rain. Lakeland, Florida, though, a heavy thunder shower in progress. Also thunder showers from Columbus in Ohio through Wilmington, Delaware, Charleston in West Virginia, and Charlotte in North Carolina. Severe weather in the forecast through the next 24-hour period. Head to the Carolinas. We'll show you more action near Columbia, South Carolina, down south towards Savannah in Georgia, and more rain in Florida.